Well, g'day guys, I'm making for you today the ultimate Humpty Doo Barramundi Pie. This is something that it's very easy, even you can do at home. All it uses is puff pastry. But first thing first, I've made a white sauce and also I've made sure it's thick. That is a key to making sure you've got the perfect pie mix with this dish. Now, but guess what? Do you actually know where Humpty Doo is? Well, all I can say is this. You've got Darwin up here, you've got Kakadu over here, and then right in the middle, where my nose is, you've got a place called Humpty Doo. It's on the Adelaide River. It is totally sublime. It's the most amazing place in this country. And guess what? That's where this beautiful barramundi comes from. So let's get on with it. Humpty Doo Barramundi Pie. Alright guys, so these are the ingredients for our barramundi pie for today. Now, other than the pastry itself, which is all going to be puff pastry, but let's have a look at it. So we've got a beautiful white sauce over here. It's nice and thick. It just means when you add the fish, it will thin out a little bit, but that is perfectly fine. We've got our barramundi, of course. We've got leek. We've got our peas over there. Now into our white sauce will go the Parmesan cheese, and I'll season it really well. What I have over here is the skin of the barramundi. I will cook that off, and that is going to give it a beautiful little decoration to the top of the pie, just a bit of excitement. They're the ingredients. Let's put it together and see how we go from there. I have tasted the mix to make sure that the seasoning is right in it first. Now I'm adding my raw barramundi. The reason I do that is because I don't want the barramundi to break up, because it's only going to take around about 10 minutes in the oven. Considering using puff pastry, and the puff pastry takes around about 20 minutes at 180. But our mix now is completely ready to go. I've tasted it. It tastes absolutely amazing. So there it is, guys. There is the mix for the Humpty Doo Barramundi Pie. You've got your leek, your peas, white sauce, Parmesan cheese, being seasoned with salt and pepper. Now it's time to get the bases done, put the filling in, do the tops with our crispy skin. It's going to be delightful. So there it is, guys, our beautiful Humpty Doo Barramundi crispy skin. I'm going to cut that once I've done the tops and we put it all in the oven. It's going to be sensational. The pies are ready to go, looking fantastic. I've put the tops on there, so the cooked base, I've just put some water around it, stuck the tops on, put an egg wash, put some holes in there just so the steam can escape, but you got this beautiful filling. And with putting the raw fish inside your pie, especially barramundi, it will be absolutely perfect in round about 20 minutes time. Well, there it is, guys, the final product, a beautiful Humpty Doo Barramundi Pie. And as you can see on top, you've got this beautiful crispy skin that is simply delicious. The pie, it all comes together absolutely beautiful.